Welcome to my channel. Brother printer wireless setup via WPS. To set up your Brother printer via Wi-Fi, you'll need access to your router. This involves utilizing the wireless protected setup (WPS) method, which enables you to establish a secure network connection without manually entering a password. Method 1. Connect via WPS. Here's how you can set up your Brother machine using the WPS method. Ensure your printer is properly plugged in and turned on. Access the printer's menu using the keypad and arrow keys. Navigate to Network and select VLAN. Choose WPS/AOS to initiate WPS on your access point/router. Press and hold the WPS button on your router until the light blinks. Confirm the connection on your machine by pressing OK. Wait for the connecting WPS message to appear. Whether you opt for the automated WPS method or the manual network key entry, the convenience of wireless printing awaits you. Before you begin, ensure that your access point/router is working correctly.
Thanks for watching.